Good morning, catastrophic science students, and welcome to Wednesday, April 22nd. Today is our second day of working on water pollution disaster surveys, where you are going to be researching some of the major water pollution disasters that have occurred worldwide and in the United States. So today, on Wednesday, April 22nd, you'll be doing part 2. Just remember, you need to write one paragraph for each of these disasters. You need to cover the highlights of what happened, how it occurred, just the background information about that disaster. You are not provided with links on these, so you're going to have to research these on your own. If you just type in the name of the disaster, the information, the heading that you're given, you'll have plenty of information pop up about where it happened, when it happened, what was the cause, what was the cleanup, anything that you find interesting, you'll put in a paragraph. If you want to do this on your own paper, that is fine. If you just want to write which disaster you're talking about, or you can make the electronic copy of your packet, type out your paragraphs, whatever you want to do, whichever is easiest for you to do it. Handwrite it, type it, it makes no difference. Please be sure that you do not work more than a half hour on this. If you get a few of them done and you don't get them all done, but you've worked a half hour, shut it down. That's all you're doing today. No more than a half hour. Make sure you're sending me evidence that you worked today on this. Send it to my email, steve.hippemeyer, not Stephen, steve.hippemeyer, and it's at ketteringschools.org. Do not send it to kcsstudents.org. That's not the teacher's email. We're at ketteringschools.org. Have a fantastic Wednesday. If you've got any questions or concerns or anything that you're unsure of, don't hesitate to email me.